Okay, let's have an example number 1. So, start tayo kay case number 1. Two angles and one opposite side are given. So, sabihin may dalawang angle at saka isang side na given. So, let's have a problem. Solve for the measurement of unknown variables in triangle SEA given S is equal to 8, his side. Angle S is 43. Angle A is 54. So express your final answer in two decimal places. So take a look this figure. Illustrate mo tayo sa figure para mas mabilis natin maintindihan. So S E A. So yung angle opposite ng S is 8. So then angle S is 43. So lagay natin ang 43 degree. So 43 this one. Then angle A is 54. So 54 degree. So this one is unknown. So ang hanapin natin muna is angle E. So yung angle muna. So since given po yung dalawa na angle, so tandaan po natin ha na yung total po ng triangle is equal to 180. So, paano pupunin yung sukat ng angle E? So, angle S, o the measure of angle S, na measure of angle A, ipa-plus lang natin yung angle tatlo. Then, the total must be equal to 180. Since angle S and angle A are given, so 54 plus 43, plus lang natin yan. So, if we add 43 plus 54, it becomes 97. So, i-transpose natin sa kabila. So, 97. Then, transpose natin 97 dito. So, it becomes negative 97. So, it becomes 180 minus 97 is equal to 83 degree.